This is how I transport Kevin and Keeley back to their cage. I get them both to hop on the stick that I got in my hand, and I just gradually, slowly walk them back. Oops, he's gone off of that. Let's see if I can get him back on it again. Come on, bud. You know, jump back on. Oh God, I normally need two hands to do this. Hang on a sec. I'll get him on. Come on, bud. Jump on. Yep, he's back on. All I do is move my finger behind his neck. Now his door keeps closing on me. Hey, don't peck at her. Don't peck at her, bud. Every time as well, I always move them in together, because if I move them in separately, one will probably not want to go in. Every time. It's so lovely. They're such a good, cute couple, these two. Always want to be together. Very sweet and affectionate.